Aphorism number 105. The second point of the business of a true physician relates to acquiring a knowledge of instruments. Instead, for the cure of the natural diseases, investigating the pathogenetic power of the medicines in order, when called on to cure, to be able to select from among them one from the list of whose symptoms an artificial disease may be constructed as similar as possible to the totality of the principal symptoms of the natural disease sought to be cured. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about medicinal quality knowledge. The second duty of the true physician is to acquire a knowledge of the instruments intended for the cure of the natural diseases, mainly investigating the pathogenetic power of medicines when it is used to cure the ailments of the patient, so that he will be able to select one medicine from the list whose symptoms artificial disease developed as similar as possible to the totality of symptoms of the natural disease required to be cured. Aphorism number 106. The whole pathogenetic effects of the several medicines must be known, that is to say, all the morbid symptoms and alteration in the health that each of them is specially capable of developing in the healthy individual must first have been observed as far as possible before we can hope to be able to find among them and to select suitable homeopathic remedies for most of the natural diseases. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about knowledge of proving. The whole pathogenetic effect of the several medicines must be known to physician. Pathogenetic effects of medicine means morbid symptoms and alterations in the state of health for which each of medicine is capable of producing in healthy individuals. First of all, by drug proving, physicians should know and should observe the pathogenetic power of the medicines, capability of medicines of producing morbid symptoms, and to bring out the change in the state of health. After that, only physician will be able to find the medicine amongst the group of medicines and can select the suitable homeopathic remedies for most of the natural diseases. Aphorism number 107. If, in order to ascertain these medicines be given to sick persons only, even though they be administered singly and alone, then little or nothing precise is seen of their true effects, as those peculiar alterations of the health to be expected from the medicine are mixed up with the symptoms of the disease and can seldom be distinctly observed. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about bad effects of various remedies. In order to ascertain the pathogenic effects of the medicine, if medicine is given to sick person only, even though it is administered singly and alone, we cannot get its true effects very precisely, because the peculiar alterations in health effected by the medicines are mixed up with the symptoms of disease and can seldom be distinctly observed.